Alrighty guys, what is going on? In this video, I'm gonna cover the banded face pull, okay? So what we're gonna do is get a band. You can either use two handles, or you can use a band like this. Just wrap it around any stable surface. So I'm using a stable bench here, right? Or a stable squat rack. So what you're gonna do is get your hands wide first. So don't start here, okay? Grab the band, grab up on the band. So the harder up you grab, or the farther up you grab, the harder it is. The lower back you grab, the easier it is, right? So grab about medium on the band. From here, make sure this middle piece is not starting off sagging. Start it off with some tension, okay? From there, you're gonna set your shoulders in the right position. Start off with some tension. Think about pulling your thumbs to your nose, okay? So your thumbs face you, so palms down, thumbs face you. Pull your thumbs right to your nose, okay? As you can see, I'm not like that, right? Or I'm not like that. You're coming up high with your elbows. Pull this band right to your nose and then back down. You can see I'm leading with my elbow. My elbow's going up, right? Almost like a 90-degree angle. You see where my elbow is? And then when you get here, think about squeezing your shoulder blades together back here, okay? So if there's a pencil back here, squeeze those shoulder blades like you're trying to pinch a pencil, all right? One more time, straight from the side. So hands wide, make sure this has tension on it. From here, pull it right back down. Pull it right back down. Lead with that elbow. This hand, again, should be facing you like this, like you're gonna punch yourself right in the head, okay? Punch yourself right in the nose, elbows up high, no elbows down, elbows up high, back down. All right, guys, thanks.